Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to become smarter in a well-rounded way. Intelligence isn't just about knowing facts, it's about thinking critically, solving problems, and adapting to new situations. Let's get started. Our minds are capable of incredible growth and adaptation. The first step to becoming smarter is embracing a growth mindset. This means believing that intelligence is not fixed but rather a dynamic quality that can be developed over time. Imagine your brain as a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger it becomes. Adopt the right mental attitude. Shift your perspective from "I can't do this" to "I can't do this yet, but I can learn and grow." Embrace challenges. Stepping outside your comfort zone can feel daunting, but the greatest rewards lie beyond the familiar. Whether it's a difficult project at work, a new subject to learn, or a personal goal, embracing challenges accelerates your growth. Each challenge you overcome expands your capabilities and pushes you further along your journey of becoming smarter. Learn from failure. Even the most brilliant minds in history, from Einstein to Marie Curie, encountered their share of failures. Instead of being discouraged by failure, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Remember, every misstep, every incorrect hypothesis, is an opportunity to refine your understanding and emerge even stronger. The universe of knowledge is as boundless as the cosmos itself. Be a lifelong learner, constantly seeking new information and expanding your horizons. Read regularly. Think of books as portals to different worlds, perspectives, and eras. The most successful and intelligent people are avid readers. Make it a habit to read books, articles, and other resources that expand your knowledge in various subjects. Try to read both fiction and nonfiction. Fiction enhances empathy, critical thinking, and creativity. Nonfiction expands your knowledge and helps you stay informed about current events and breakthroughs. Learn continuously. We live in an age where knowledge is more accessible than ever before. Take online courses, attend workshops, watch educational videos, or listen to podcasts to broaden your understanding of different subjects. Embrace this abundance of information and never stop seeking new avenues for learning. Diversify your knowledge. Don't just stick to one area. A well-rounded knowledge base can help you think critically and make smarter decisions in all areas of life. Explore history, science, business, psychology, etc. By exploring diverse fields, you'll start to see these connections and develop a richer, more nuanced understanding of the world around you. In a universe filled with misinformation and cognitive biases, the ability to think critically is paramount. It's about going beyond simply accepting information at face value, and instead questioning, analyzing, and forming your own conclusions. Question everything. Don't take things at face value. Ask questions, challenge assumptions, and think critically about everything you hear and read. Just as a scientist wouldn't accept a theory without evidence, you shouldn't accept information without first scrutinizing its source, its biases, and its underlying assumptions. Analyze and reflect. Before making decisions, analyze the pros and cons and think long-term. Reflect on your experiences to understand what worked and what didn't. Practice problem solving. Find ways to solve problems creatively. Whether it's playing strategy games like chess, solving puzzles, or taking on real-life challenges, problem solving sharpens your brain. Every problem you solve strengthens your cognitive muscles and equips you to tackle even greater challenges in the future. Our memories are like vast cosmic libraries, storing a lifetime of experiences, knowledge, and skills. By honing your memory skills, you can unlock this treasure trove of information and enhance your cognitive abilities. Use mnemonics. Mnemonic devices like acronyms or visual imagery can help you remember things more easily. Practice memory techniques. Try memory techniques such as the method of loci, linking information to specific places, or chunking, grouping similar items together. These techniques might seem like mental gymnastics at first, but with practice, they can significantly improve your ability to recall information. Stay mentally active. Practice activities that stimulate your brain, such as learning a new language, doing puzzles, or playing memory games. Keep your mind engaged. Just like physical exercise keeps our bodies fit, mental exercise keeps our minds sharp and adaptable. Emotional intelligence is like the dark matter of intelligence, often unseen but incredibly powerful. It's about understanding and managing your own emotions, as well as recognizing and responding effectively to the emotions of others. In a world increasingly driven by collaboration and human connection, EQ is more important than ever. Be self-aware. Understand your emotions, strengths, weaknesses, and triggers. Regular self-reflection and mindfulness practices can help with this. Just as an astronomer studies the stars, take the time to study yourself. Understand your emotional patterns, your strengths, and your weaknesses. Develop empathy. Being able to understand and connect with others' emotions is key to emotional intelligence. Listen actively and put yourself in others' shoes. Empathy is about stepping outside your own perspective and truly understanding how others feel. It's about active listening, compassion, and genuine connection. Regulate your emotions. Smart people don't react impulsively. Learn to manage your emotions in stressful situations by practicing techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or journaling. Improve social skills. Build stronger relationships with others. Practice effective communication, assertiveness, and conflict resolution. Understanding how to relate to others emotionally makes you not only smarter, but also more likable. Just as a spacecraft needs a healthy engine to explore the cosmos, our minds need healthy bodies to function at their best. Physical exercise. Regular exercise isn't just good for the body, it's great for the mind as well. It improves brain function, memory, and overall mental clarity. Activities like running, weightlifting, or yoga can boost your cognitive abilities. Sleep well. Quality sleep is essential for mental sharpness. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to allow your brain to consolidate memories and repair itself. Sleep is like a nightly reset button for your brain. Healthy diet. Fuel your brain with the right nutrients. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like fish, antioxidants, berries, nuts, and vitamins like B12 are essential for brain health. Cultivating good habits is like setting your internal compass towards success. Smart people know how to manage their time effectively. Use time blocking, prioritization, and other techniques to make the most of your day. Time is your most valuable resource. Treat it as such. Success and intelligence are built over time, so develop habits of regular study, self-improvement, and productivity. Consistency in small efforts compounds over time. Just as a spacecraft makes small course corrections to reach its destination, our daily habits, however small, ultimately determine our trajectory in life. Develop discipline and work on overcoming procrastination. Break tasks into smaller, manageable pieces, and use the 5-minute rule to get started on difficult tasks. Procrastination is the gravitational pull that holds us back from reaching our full potential. Just as stars cluster together in galaxies, human intelligence thrives in networks of collaboration and shared knowledge. Surround yourself with smart people. Network with people who challenge you, inspire you, and help you grow. Learn from their experiences and perspectives. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Seek mentorship. Find a mentor who can guide you and provide insights based on their own experiences. Mentorship can help you avoid common mistakes and accelerate your personal growth. Be open to feedback. Smart people are open to constructive criticism and use it to improve themselves. Learn to accept feedback graciously and use it as a tool for growth. In a world filled with distractions, the ability to focus your mind is like a superpower. Meditation. Regular meditation helps to improve your focus, mental clarity, and ability to make decisions. Even 10 to 15 minutes a day can significantly impact your mental state. Minimize distractions. To be truly smart, you need to be able to focus. Practice deep work, limit distractions, and hone your ability to focus on the task at hand. Multitasking is a myth. Our brains are wired for focus. Stay present. Mindfulness is not just for relaxation, it can improve your ability to think clearly and make smarter decisions. Being present in the moment allows you to fully engage with your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Knowledge without action is like a rocket sitting on the launch pad. It holds potential but hasn't yet achieved liftoff. Execute on what you learn. Knowledge without action is useless. Apply what you learn, take calculated risks, and experiment to see what works. The world rewards those who take action. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to put your knowledge to the test. Take responsibility. Smart people take responsibility for their actions and decisions. Don't blame others for your failures or setbacks. Learn from them and adapt. Remember, you are the captain of your own spaceship. And there you have it, 10 steps to embark on a lifelong journey of becoming smarter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Keep learning and growing, and we'll see you in the next video.